Paying contactless with Revolut is simple and convenient. Add funds. Ensure your Revolut account has sufficient funds. You can add money via bank transfer, debit or credit card, or other available top-up methods. Get Revolut card. Order a physical Revolut card or use the virtual card available in the app. Activate contactless. If you have a physical card, ensure it's activated. For virtual cards, activate it in the app. Find contactless symbol. Look for the contactless symbol on the payment terminal at the store. Tap your card or phone. Hold your Revolut card or phone near the contactless symbol on the payment terminal. Wait for confirmation. Wait for the terminal to process the payment. For added security, some transactions might require a PIN entry or fingerprint authentication on your phone. Payment confirmation. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation on the payment terminal or via a notification in the Revolut app. Track transactions. Monitor your transactions in the Revolut app to keep track of your spending.